Good afternoon, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today on Faces of Commerce we're here at Rusty Hook's Dockside Grill and their new deck. Hello Cindy.
Hey Karen.
Tell me a little bit about your new deck here.
Well, we have got a brand new 2,200 square foot deck with 100 bar stools around the perimeter of it. We have set it up as a live music venue every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night. It's going to be a wonderful area for the community to participate and enjoy events like captain's meetings for the flotilla, celebrating small business awards with the chamber. Just a great new addition to the restaurant. It's tied into our docks so that if you're a boater and you like to dock and dine, you may come in and do that. If you're out on a fishing charter, we really like fishing charters. We will do a hook and cook for you. You can catch it with Captain Robert, bring it in, and we'll cook it for you 3 different ways. Basically, it's tied to the same great Rusty Hook's fresh local seafood, North Carolina shrimp year-round, North Carolina oysters and clams fresh Brunswick catch whenever we can accommodate that. And in addition to all of this, we've got a great new Sunset Tiki Bar, so you can sit here and enjoy the sunset over the Barbie Bridge.
Sunsets down here are really beautiful.
They're my favorite. Yeah, absolutely my favorite.
And you're dog friendly.
Yes, ma'am. We have hooked all the way around. One of my servers did a great job putting together a water bowl for the dogs. She even had a little bit of humor, saying it's not for the humans. You can get your drinks at the bar.
That's a good one. And you also have a bar around the corner here.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's take a walk this way. So if you don't want to be out on this deck, you've got another deck up here where you can sit and eat lunch or dinner.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And it's gorgeous this time of year with the sunset, with the sun warming up out in this area. We had a fun time decorating up here. I have to thank Jackie over at Dunes Mercantile. She helped me come up with a lot of my tikis, and this is the fun place to be now. This is where I sit and have my lunch every day.
Great view. Can't beat it. And then, of course, you have the inside seating as well, and a bar inside as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
so
ma'am.
This is the party place.
It is. It's the place to be.
So Rusty Hook's Dockside Grill. What's your address?
4907 Fish Factory Road. That is in the Safe Harbor, South Harbor Village Marina. And our website is rustyhooksdockside.com. We're open for lunch and dinner 7 days a week, year-round.
And you have music this weekend?
Yes, ma'am. This weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
And we're going to be open the weekend of Thanksgiving, not Thanksgiving Day itself.
Correct. I'll be closed Thanksgiving Day itself, but we will be open the weekend of Thanksgiving. We'll be open during the holidays. We'll close Christmas Day itself, but we will be open that whole week and have a party for New Year's Eve to welcome in the new year.
Wonderful. Well, Cindy, thank you for allowing us to come take a look at the new deck here at the Rusty Hook's Dockside. Thank you.